thank you for everyone for coming over for this leadership training and celebrating the partnership of Amari and Mark Dream Builders. Hold your breath. Let's hear our magnanimous ADB founder, the mentor of all mentors, Shanghai Rodriguez.
Ginawa ko yung advertising builder, no? Talagang sobrang na-excite po kasi alam kong maraming tao na pwedeng ma-reach out at mabigyan ng opportunity at patulungan ng organization ito. At ngayon, isa po doon at kasama ko kayo. Pero ang saya-saya ko ngayon kasi alam natin na meron tayong tinidaanan, ang daming dinaanan ng advertising builder, pero ngayon nandito lahat para sama-sama natin yakapin ang bagong oportunidad.
This is not just a group, not just a team, this is a community, a movement of people na gustong magbago ang buhay.
Davao is one of the largest market in Kayanan. Ibabalik po natin yan ngayon. Aside from dun sa mga ginagawa na natin in the past, all of us, marami na tayong strategy na ginagawa. Dinadagdagan po natin lahat yun. We are not stopping studying and thinking a strategy para makatulong po sa lahat. And we will really expand.
I am saying this to impress upon you that your life can truly change for the better. Based on testimonials and personal experiences, we have enough evidence to conclude that it is possible for any ordinary person to design, build, and live the life of his dreams.
Sa lahat po ng mga natutunan po natin today, nagpapasalamat po kasi talaga hindi lang po siya bumabaon po sa isip po natin, bumabaon po siya sa heart natin at mag-move forward po tayo para sa success ng bawat isa. Looking forward po ako sa pagsasamahan po natin dito po sa business. Naniniwala po ako this year, yung 10 diamonds na gagawin po natin at pagsasamahan po natin is mangyayari po yun.
Once again, welcome to our event where we celebrate the partnership of Amari Global and the Amari